Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 20th of October and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video I'll be looking at the charts on the Dow-Jones Industrial Average. What we'll see is that it has now become slightly overbought. It's overextended away from the moving averages. We've had 7 up weeks on the Dow, and some consolidation should be expected, but it's likely to only be short term. Those with a position should just stick with it because the trend is your friend. Let's look at those charts. So here we are on the weekly. Each bar represents 1 week, and you can see that we've now had 6 up weeks. Now this chart that we're looking at here goes all the way back to February 2014. The maximum number of weeks we've had up in that period, despite it being obviously a big bull market, has been 7 up weeks. So I think we're going to be coming to the end of the weekly rises and expect a short-term consolidation. However, the trend is still solidly up, and the trend is your friend. So if you've got a position, you just hold it through the consolidation and see where it goes. If you haven't got a position, maybe you should do a speculative sell. We are overextended from the moving averages, and you can see down here on the RSI that's at 81. It is very overbought, and the MACD at very high levels as well. So all the signs are that we're overbought and overextended. Let's look at the daily. Each candle here represents 1 day's trade, and you can see again we're moving into new high ground. Again, we're overextended from the moving averages, and again overbought. The RSI here 86.18. Yes, it's a sign of solid upside momentum, but it's become a bit overextended at the moment. On the 4-hour, again, it was actually quite positive yesterday in the pre-market when we came back, because that actually brought us back down to the 20 at the 4-hour, and we did bounce from there, so that was a good sign. But again, we've now got slightly extended again. The RSI as well is perhaps showing a non-confirmation, although we do need to pull back on the index, so that makes a top. So we don't know if it's at the top yet. If it's confirmed as the top, I'd say that is three candles and it's confirmed. Well, the RSI yesterday evening didn't reach as high as it did on the previous day, so there is a potential non-confirmation coming through on the RSI here. And maybe that's the first sign that the Dow is about just to top out for the short term. Anyway, let's wait and see. Looking at the support and resistance levels, the all-time highs, the resistance 23,271 spot 2, with support coming in at the 20 of the 4-hour, which is 23,070 spot 2. And then the 50 on the 4-hour, 22,932.71. Thanks for watching the video. The key takeaway points should be that the trend is your friend. We're still in this solid uptrend. However, we are becoming overbought. We are extended from the moving averages, and we've had 6 weeks up, and 7 is the best you get. Conclusion: if you've got a position, you stay long and just hold it and just see how severe the consolidation is, and just see if that trend remains in place. If you haven't got a position, well, maybe take a speculative sell, just put a few puts on, or take a slight short, just in case that those RSIs on the 4-hour have done a non-confirmation and the overextension does unwind against the moving averages. Thanks for watching. Please do remember these videos are for information and they're not an investment recommendation. And please read the disclaimer.